Ever dreamt of blasting off into the world of investing, but worried about the potential for a crash landing? You're not alone. With so many investment options out there, choosing the right platform can feel like navigating an uncharted galaxy. Today, we're setting our sights on Spaceship, a new player in the investment game. But before you strap yourself in, let's address the burning question: is your money safe with Spaceship? Spaceship, a new frontier for investing. Spaceship is a micro-investing app designed for millennials and Gen Z. It promises a user-friendly interface and a focus on fractional shares, allowing you to invest in big-name companies even with a limited budget. Sounds pretty cool, right? But is it too good to be true? Understanding security, where your money takes flight. Here's where things get technical. When it comes to your hard-earned cash, security is paramount. So, how does Spaceship ensure your money is safe and sound? Let's break it down. Custodian banks. Spaceship partners with reputable custodian banks, acting as a secure vault for your invested funds. These banks hold your assets separately from Spaceship's operational funds, minimizing risk in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. In the unfortunate event that a custodian bank fails, SIPC insurance provides protection for a limited amount of your securities. It's important to note that SIPC coverage has limitations, so it's wise to understand the specifics. Encryption. Spaceship utilizes industry-standard encryption to safeguard your personal information and account details. Think of it as a force field protecting your financial data. Beyond the basics, exploring additional safeguards. Security goes beyond just banks and encryption. Here are some other factors to consider. Regulatory oversight. Spaceship operates under the regulations of the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC. This regulatory framework ensures compliance with financial laws and consumer protection measures. Transparency. A reputable investment platform should be transparent about its fees, investment strategies, and potential risks. Make sure you feel comfortable with the level of information Spaceship provides. Remember, investment inherently carries risk. While Spaceship implements safeguards, it's crucial to remember that all investments involve inherent risk. There's no guarantee that your money will grow, and the market can be volatile. Taking control, building your investment Spaceship. So, is Spaceship a safe harbor for your investments? Based on the security measures in place, it appears to be on par with other reputable investment platforms. However, the ultimate decision rests with you. Here are some final thoughts before you embark on your investment journey. Do your research, don't just rely on this video. Investigate Spaceship further, understand their fees, and compare them to other investment options. Invest wisely, start small, diversify your portfolio, and don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Seek guidance. Consider consulting a financial advisor who can assess your risk tolerance and develop a personalized investment strategy. With proper research and a solid financial plan, Spaceship could be a valuable launchpad for your investment aspirations. Just remember, even the most secure rocket ship can encounter turbulence. So, buckle up, invest wisely, and enjoy the ride. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.